If you're watching this video, then you want to know the best ways to scan and organize receipts. In this 4-part video series, I'll be showing you everything that you need for a total scanning system and my best practices for scanning, naming, organizing, and storing scanned items. At the end, I'll tell you how you can download my template for keeping all of your records together so that you can get the most out of scanning and organizing your paperwork. Keep watching. Receipts come in a variety of shapes, lengths, and sizes. They can be any combination of short, narrow, long, and wide. And although many receipts are now made available by email and text message, we still need to manage and store paper receipts. To use my receipt scanning system, you'll need a scanner and a computer with enough storage space to hold your scanned documents. If you find that you don't have enough space, you can always purchase an external drive like this one, the Western Digital MyBook, which was named by PC Magazine as this year's best external hard drive. Because it's important to have a dependable backup, it's worth it to get an external drive like this, which is made by a reputable company. You'll also need to know how to install and use software on your computer, which interfaces with your scanner and assists with organizing documents. Because there are so many computer and scanner models available, I'll leave it to you to decide what kind of equipment is best for you. However, if you want recommendations, please see my YouTube channel for different product reviews. At current, some of the best scanners on the market include ones from Fujitsu, Epson, Kodak, Canon, Brother, Raven, and Doxy. As with scanning paperwork, I recommend that you scan and file your receipts on an ongoing basis. However, if you'll be scanning a mass of disorganized receipts like I have here, first sort them chronologically with the newest ones on the top and then into piles based on the year. Because many receipts are printed using thermal ink, they can be volatile, easily damaged, and become unreadable after a short period of time. This is an example of a receipt from Home Depot that I have from last year. After a while, the ink faded and now it's unreadable. By scanning your receipts as you receive them, you can avoid this problem and ensure that you always have legible digital copies. To keep your receipts scanned and organized, remove any staples and scan each one as a PDF. The PDF format is the best for scanning receipts, and if your scanner and software support OCR technology, enable it so that the words and numbers in the receipts will be recognized and saved. For home office and small business purposes, some desktop scanners can recognize information in the receipts and automatically name and file them using that information. For example, when I use my scanner to scan this receipt from Starbucks, dated February 2nd, 2019, for $4.15, it automatically gives it a name, including the date, amount, and vendor name, and it stores it in my Scanned Documents folder in a subfolder called Receipts. If your scanner doesn't automatically name your receipts, name them using a year, month, day convention based on the receipt's date, vendor name, and total amount. This is all the information that you'll need to organize and find future receipts. For this Best Buy receipt for $112.38, dated January 12, 2020, I'll name it 2020-01-12, $112.38, bestbuy.pdf. Once they're scanned, keep all of your receipts in a folder called Receipts and then in subfolders by year. On January 1st of each new year, archive last year's receipts by making a new folder, naming it with the number of the previous year, and then move the receipts from that year into that subfolder. By taking this approach, it's easy to search for and find receipts. If, for example, I want to see all of my Starbucks receipts, I can search for Starbucks in my Receipts folder. After you scan a receipt, keep it in a document envelope like this. Keep a piece of paper in the envelope with the year written on it in large numbers. As with paperwork, you can simply put the receipts in the envelope without organizing them. Because your digital copies will be named, organized, and easy to find, there's no need to invest time and effort in organizing your original receipts. After you scan your receipts and store them in your document envelope, put them in a banker's box with your scanned paperwork from the same year. All of the rules about keeping your paperwork secure also apply to receipts. You should keep them secure from theft, flood, fire, natural disaster, and other kinds of loss. Your electronic copies also need to be secure. You need to back them up and keep them safe from computer equipment failure, viruses, malware, and other threats. Just as you may wish to keep your paperwork for at least 7 years, this is also a good number to use if you're unsure of how long you should keep your receipts. Because they're generally small files and take up little space, I recommend keeping your digital copies forever. So there you have it. Those are my recommended best practices for scanning and organizing receipts. If you learned something new from this video, then make sure to subscribe to my channel right now. Just click the subscribe button below this video. And now I'd like to turn it over to you. Have I inspired you to scan your receipts on an ongoing basis or start keeping them in a document envelope? Let me know by leaving a comment below right now. Finally, to download my template for keeping all of your records together in one place, please visit my website, www.seandoman.com. And if you'd like to learn other helpful things from me, please check out my videos on my 7 techniques for reading faster and my 5 rules for how to hire a lawyer and get great results. If you end up purchasing something as a result of watching this video, please be sure to use one of my Amazon links in the video description below. To support my channel on an ongoing basis, please consider changing your Amazon bookmark to one with my affiliate code so that I'll get a small commission whenever you buy anything on Amazon. Please keep in mind that this doesn't cost you anything, and the more support I get, the more I can help people by making new and better content. Thanks again for watching. As always, I'm Sean Doman.